Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error on Valorant. This dx11 needs a level 10 requirement to run the engine. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing here is to check your GPU for directx versions. So how you can check it? So go to start and type in this command, this one, and click here to run the command. And once we are on this page, you will see here directx version. If you have 12, you can, and it still doesn't work, you can update it with this method. So here we go on display, and here we go on feature levels. As you can see, we have 11, 11.0, and as you can see, if you have this tree right here, that means that your GPU supports it. So all you have to do is close this once we verified that you can actually run the level 11 on DirectX, and go to your browser here and go on Google and type in here DirectX end user runtime, and here we're gonna click on this first website link here. This is the official Microsoft website. So here we're gonna scroll a little bit down, and here we can select your language and click on download, and we have to go and run this file, this dex web setup.exe. So click on it, and here we're gonna, and just one more thing, if it doesn't download, you can click here to download manually. So just click here, and if in case it doesn't download, so here click on I accept the agreement for the terms here and click on next. You can uncheck this if you want. You can let it like here to install the Bing bar, but I'm gonna uncheck this and click on next, and we're gonna wait for it to install. As you can see here, the setup has determined that you have a new or equivalent version of DirectX, because I already have it. So as you can see here, installation is not necessary, but for you it will be necessary because you don't have this DirectX. So just click on finish here, and you can now launch the Valorant, and it will run perfectly normally as it would. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this video was useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye.